In 1935, sulfanilamide had been introduced in Europe as a powerful cure for a range of infections that include gonorrhea to meningitis. It quickly became available in the US, where it was commonly dispensed in tablet or capsule form and marketed by several companies including S.E. Massengill Company of Bristol, Tennessee. A demand for the liquid form of this drug was conveyed by the salesman of the Massengill Company to the board of directors. Their chief chemist, only known as Mr. Watkins, took the task of finding a solvent which is suitable for the drug. He knew sulfanilamide is insoluble in the solvents which are commonly used for manufacturing their medicines. He experimented with a variety of other solvents and settled on diethylene glycol. The elixir, which they will eventually market as Elixir Sulfanilamide, would contain 40 grams of sulfanilamide per fluid ounce, although a single ounce of diethylene glycol could dissolve up to 75 grams of sulfanilamide. Of course, they tested the brew for fragrance, flavor, and appearance, but not for toxicity. It was duly distributed nationwide in dark 1-gallon bottles, as you would see in the picture. In October 14, 1937, the Food and Drug Administration received its first reports of death from ingestion. Over a 4-week period in the fall of the same year, 353 patients nationwide were treated with this elixir. Of these, 105 died. The mean fatal dose of diethylene glycol for a child was 38 grams and for an adult is 71 grams. Elixir sulfanilamide was quickly recalled. Unfortunately, Mr. Watkins committed suicide. Autopsies were performed on the victims, and there were mention of hydropic degeneration of the renal tubular cells, which is what we call vascular nephropathy, and subsequent reports showed kidneys with vascular nephropathy of the renal tubular cells that progressed to outright cortical infarction. Histologic changes described in the liver as central lobular zone necrosis, or there's death in the liver tissues. Diethylene glycol is the same family as dioxane, which caused the deaths of 5 factory workers following inhalation, and the other member of this toxic glycol family is ethylene glycol, or what we commonly known as antifreeze.